Apple has just given us some fresh air. The new M4 MacBook Air. New sky blue color, same light, portable design, same lack of ports, but new fast and furious power of the M4 chip. But can it replace my aging M1 MacBook Pro?
Shocked beyond shock. This is the new M4 MacBook Air. It just arrived. This is a beautiful sky blue. Every once in a while, Apple gets it right. They got it right.
Are you on the fence whether or not to get the new M4 MacBook Air? Well, I took the leap and I'm going to tell you all about it.
Love how easy it is to open the packaging with no knife or anything. This is the base model with the new M4 processor, 16 gigs of unified memory. Okay, and here it is, the new sky blue color. It does look silver here, but in person, let me tell you, it does look blue. Immediately you notice how slim it is, sleek, well built, quality.
It's very slim, very nice, very portable, very light. Now this is the iPad Air, and it's the same color. I mean, it's basically the same color. It's kind of a silvery blue.
Headphone jack that I increasingly just never use. And on the other side, only 2 USB-C 4 ports and MagSafe.
The MagSafe cable is the same color. It's a hint of blue.
Some instructions, and I got the 30-watt power adapter.
The ports, I'm gonna get it probably a dock, but let's open it up. Wow. I mean, it's just so sleek and beautiful.
It was delivered on the 12th, release day with no problems, no delays. Awkward, because it sat on my porch all day while I was at work. Yikes!
It was able to upgrade really fast. The screen looks beautiful. I went ahead and played those flyovers in maps. We went to New York and then we went to Paris. Those animations worked really, really well. I was very impressed with that. Brought up some YouTube. Everything was very snappy, very fast. I saw some 4K stuff from Hawaii's videos on YouTube. And then of course I used my own video. The speakers sound great. The M4 is so powerful. I was able to do some tests. It all worked perfect. I couldn't believe it. Final Cut Pro downloaded very quickly. So I went ahead and opened a project that I'm working on. It just played perfect. It looked great. There's a lot of green screen in here, kind of effects and stuff. In fact, I think it's even better in some respects than my M1 MacBook Pro. I was like, wait, what? It works perfect, it works flawless. Now there was a couple of times where it did struggle just slightly. So I don't know what that is, because then later I went back and it didn't struggle at all. So I was like, I don't know. This computer was $999 and it is so fast. My M1 MacBook Pro was $2,000 3.5 years ago. So this I feel is better, in most cases better. Just on my initial test, just opening it up, setting it up, downloading all the setup stuff went very quickly. I was very impressed with how fast this went. Just doing a few tests with Final Cut. Works great. I love the portability of this. This is going to be a fantastic machine for me. I love it so far. I'm going to do a whole bunch more tests and stuff like that, but this is a fantastic bargain. Now, if you're lucky enough to qualify for Apple's education program, you can get it for $899, so $900. Of course, I'm not a student. I don't qualify for the education discount, so I would never even attempt to check that box that says that I am and save $100. That's just not me. Let me tell you about this. This is my M1 MacBook Pro. It's great. And listen, it is pretty much an upgrade. It is faster. And in some respects, it does things a lot faster than this, which I was surprised. They both have 16 gigs of memory, and it's just faster, better, and this isn't even the Pro. I'm really kind of shocked. So that is the MacBook Air. I love it. I'm probably going to use it to do a little bit of video editing. The screen is okay, the speakers are okay, but if you've never seen a MacBook Pro, then you're gonna love it. You're never gonna know that there was any kind of a difference because the screen is beautiful. They've really fixed everything. I was going to get Mac Studio or M4 Pro Mac Mini because just the video editing I do, I just kind of want an upgrade, right? I'm thinking maybe I don't need to do it because this is so fast and so great. Everything I've tested so far, and I've only done just like maybe 30 or 40 minutes worth of tests, and it works great. I'm shocked beyond shock. I love this machine. This is fantastic. The M4 MacBook Air. How about you? Are you interested in the M4 MacBook Air? Are you going to get this? Is there not enough ports for you? Is there just enough ports for you? Do you need something more powerful? Are you willing to take a chance like I did and get something so amazing, so fun? Every once in a while, Apple gets it right, and they really got it right with this one. This is the M4 MacBook Air, sky blue. It is beautiful. I love it. I'm gonna love it for a long time. Thank you, Apple. This is Rick. Thank you for watching. Love this MacBook Air. We'll see you next time.